Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at Match.com, one of the biggest names in online dating. But with shocking reviews and complaints piling up, the question is Match.com still legit or is it just one big scam? Disclaimer, this video is based on my own research and opinion. Always do your own homework before signing up for anything online. From the official site, Match.com claims to help singles find serious relationships with tools like daily matches, messaging, and dating tips. They've been around since 1995 and market themselves as a trusted platform for long-term love. But on Trustpilot, the reality looks very different. 1.3 stars from over 120 reviews, with 89% being 1 star. Common complaints: fake profiles, deceptive subscription practices, and no real customer support. One user reported that 75% of profiles were removed shortly after joining. Another signed up for a 6-month plan, clicked a discount offer, and was unknowingly subscribed to a second service or time and billed again. Support basically non-existent, no working phone number, and only automated email responses. As one reviewer put it, utter and complete rubbish. So, is Match.com a scam? Maybe not by legal standards, but it sure feels shady. With tons of fake profiles, confusing charges, and bad support, I'd say look elsewhere if you're serious about finding love online. And that's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.